guys, thank you for joining me and welcome. So today in this video I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful gold and silver mirror with the mirror inlays. This was very easy and fun for me to do. It was a little bit labor intensive, but it came out absolutely gorgeous, and I'm going to show you how I did it. So first I started out with a 88-cent mirror from my dollar store. And yeah, this mirror is kind of old looking. I think it may have been a return or something, but it only cost me 88 cents. And yeah, so I'm going to use that. So I'm going to cover up the mirror so that I don't get any flashback from my ring light. And so what I'm going to do is remove the frame. And as you can see, the frame on this mirror is made from plastic, and it just removes very, very easily. And I'm trying to remove the frame without tearing the cardboard backing that's supporting the mirror. So right here is the cardboard backing from the mirror, and I'm just going to hot glue it to the back of the mirror. And I'm just gonna just place the mirror on top of that, let it set for a couple of seconds, and then I'm going to move on with the rest of the project. So right here I'm just going to start to cut out the frame for my mirror, and I'm using the black version of the foam board from the Dollar Tree. Yeah, so, and I'm using my ruler just to make sure I have it even all the way around, and the border of my mirror is going to be about 1 inch wide. So right now I'm just going to cut out the board, the foam board. So right here is a little bit of diamond bling that I cut away from one of my other bling wraps. I'm going to show you it, guys. This is what this is, and I had told you guys I have this in silver. Told you guys before I didn't really like using this. I like to cut the bling into strips and use it that way. So that's what I'm doing here, and I'm using the circular diamond part of the bling, and I'm going to use that to cover the edge of the foam board. So now that that's done, I'm going to use my ruler, and I'm going to cut out the placement for the mirror in the center of this foam board, and hopefully I will have about 1 inch of border left around the perimeter of the mirror. So now that I finished doing that, I feel comfortable enough that I'm going to start using this bling wrap right here. I'm going to use this to cover the outer border of this mirror frame. But first I'm going to cut it into strips about the same width as the border of the frame. Right here I'm just using a little bit of the silver part of the bling. I cut that into strips, and I'm going to use that around the perimeter of the board. Next, I'm going to go in and I'm going to cover that first set of bling that I did because I wanted to have a raised look. Now I'm going to cover it with the gold and the silver circular part of the bling. After that's done, I'm going to hot glue the mirror to the frame part. And now I'm going to start hot gluing some more decoration in to cover any of the black foam board that may be exposed. And I'm going to do that around the perimeter of the mirror. So now that I'm finished with that, I'm going to take these rectangle shaped mirrors and I'm going to take a Sharpie permanent marker. The color I'm using is called metallic gold. And what I'm going to do is just run the pen along the outer portion of the mirror just to give it a reflective gold quality along the edge. Now that that's done, I'm going to hot glue these small mirrors into place. This is the inlaid part that I was talking about. So right here, I'm going to flip over my mirror and hot glue the picture frame hook back onto the mirror. So yeah guys, that is it. That is my beautiful gold and silver mirror with the inlay. This came out absolutely beautiful. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video and please don't forget to subscribe. And as always guys, thank you for watching, stay blessed, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye bye.